AN225, an aviation marvel. Also known as Mriya. Mriya means dream in Ukrainian. World's largest cargo aircraft. The aircraft was built by Ukrainian aeronautics manufacturer, Antonov Design Bureau. It took its first flight on the 21st of December 1988. The aircraft holds the record of having the largest wingspan of 88.4 meters, among any other operational aircrafts. Usually, even the largest of commercial aircrafts are built with 2 to 4 engines. AN225 operated with colossal 6 engines, with a maximum speed of 850 km per hour, and could cover a range of 15,400 kilometers. The 84 meters long aircraft had a 32-wheel landing gear. It is the heaviest aircraft ever built in the history of aviation. AN225 could fly with a takeoff weight of 640 tons, with a cargo capacity of 253 tons. This Herculean airlifter holds the world record of airlifting a single item of massive 190,000 kilograms. It also holds the record of transporting a total payload of 247,000 kilograms on a single flight. AN225 also carried the longest piece ever transported by air cargo. 2 42-meter-long test wind turbine blades from Tianjin in China to Skridstrup in Denmark. The aircraft was originally developed for the transportation of the Buran shuttle orbiters as an enlarged version of Antonov AN124. After its military missions, the aircraft was refurbished to be used as commercial cargo carrier, breaking many air cargo transportation records. AN225 landed on Indian soil in May 2016 at Hyderabad's Shamshabad Airport, on its route to Perth in Australia. On its journey, the aircraft uplifted a 117-ton power generator from Prague in Czech Republic to Perth in Australia. AN225 also played a vital role during the COVID-19 pandemic, ferrying with medical essentials across Europe, Canada, and Africa. The aircraft was chartered to transport Puma helicopters from Kabul to UK after the US mission in Afghanistan. During the outbreak of Russian invasion of Ukraine, the aircraft was reported destroyed in its base at Hostomel Airport in Ukraine. Sadly, we can only reminisce this amazing piece of technical art in videos and photos till the airlifter is repaired or another masterpiece is built. The legacy of AN225.